Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can transfer cryptocurrency from Webull to Binance safely and easily. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along. So the first one that you will have to do is open your Webull, of course, and then go ahead and by the way, you have to make sure that you've already logged into your account and then go to trading and investing and click crypto, which is right here under the investing section. So just wait for it to load. And what you will do, you should see something like transfer here. So you will just have to basically select the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer, and then you will enter your Binance wallet address and double check the wallet address for accuracy and enter the amount, and then of course confirm the transfer, and then you will just have to wait for the blockchain confirmation, and it may take a few minutes. So yeah, that's basically just it, and I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.